Hello children, we are doing CBC words. Now this time we will take U sound. It means U means UT. It means at. First word is but, hut, cut, nut. Next is UB. It means a b sound. First is rub, hub, tub, cup. Next is UG. It means a g sound. First word is mug, bug, rug, pug, jug, hug, and duck. Next is UN. It means un sound. Sun, fun, run, gun, one, none. And next is UP. It means a p sound. First word is pup, cup. This is odo ad. First word is odo mud, odo cud, and next is odo but. Next sound is and the first word is gum, sa. Thank you. See you next time. You have to do practice with these words. You have to read with phonic sound. Thank you.